Hello, Internet. Zoom. We are all using Zoom. We don't know why. We don't know for how long, but it has infiltrated our lives and it is not going anywhere anytime soon. Why? I don't know. But what I do know is that you need to be using one of these video backgrounds on your next Zoom call, on your next webinar, especially at your next Zoom networking event. Because if you go into this meeting with one of these backgrounds, you will be the talk of the entire meeting. You will steal whatever the meeting was supposed to be about. I guarantee you, you will steal it. And as a business owner, as somebody who is marketing themselves, as somebody who is looking to attract clients, that's what you want. I design these. They are fully customized with your logo, some text, some reviews, some footage. If you don't have any footage, I'll get some high quality cinematic stock footage that we could put in here for you that is relevant to your industry. Brand colors, everything exactly to your liking on a 60-second loop, delivered in 1 day or less. Sound good? That sounds pretty good to me. Send me a DM. I'd be very happy to chat with you, and let's get this created and let's start getting you more clients.